Hey guys, today I show you another first impression video of the new version of the Crystal Super OLED. Because Martin Sweewiver from Pimax has visited my studio here and he brought the Crystal OLED and I could try it for around 1 hour or so, and I could do a first reaction scene, and I could also film through the lens and some things, and I will give you my opinion about this version of the Pimax Crystal Super OLED. By the way, there's also a really nice giveaway. You can win a brand new, look at this here, Pimax Crystal Super. That's insane, right? It's really new. I didn't even unbox it. Crazy. And there's also a Black Friday sale. All infos in my video. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Do you wear glasses and hate wearing them under your VR headset? They press against your face, fog up, or maybe even scratch the lenses. It doesn't have to be that way. These are the prescription lenses from VRROC. These lenses are custom made based on your exact prescription. The result? Perfect clear vision in VR, completely without glasses. And the best part, they are magnetic. Installation is super easy. Attach the adapter once and the lenses just click into place. Holds securely and fits perfectly. Even if you don't need vision correction, they offer plano lenses with a blue light filter. This protects your eyes during long sessions. VRROC uses an ultra slim frame to preserve your full field of view. Nothing breaks the immersion, and for the PlayStation VR 2, they've even added a special cutout at the nose bridge for maximum comfort. So ditch the glasses from your headset and enjoy VR the way it's meant to be. Sharp, clear and comfortable. A 10% coupon link and code is in the description. So guys, finally here I am with the Pimax Crystal Super with the OLED module, and you don't even need 1 second, you instantly see that difference to the other modules. It's absolutely insane. I mean, when I walk here in this area where everything is so dark, it's like it should be. Like I love this kind of display. Wow. Here, and there's also another place where I can see it, like it's here. Wow. Brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. Holy moly. Also, when I look here inside this dark room and so on, everything is perfect black levels. Also the colors. I mean, very nice. Very clear. And there's always the thing that I say. I mean, you can also play this game here with a Quest 3. Yes, it works. But the difference is like heaven and hell. Like really a huge difference when you play it with this kind of high-end headset and then use a Quest 3. It's insane. And now with the OLED module here, wow. Crazy. I mean, this is just my first reaction here. I try to film a little bit through the lens as well after that here, but it's fantastic. You need to believe me. The only thing here with this headset that I have here right there, there's some things with the profile that, I mean, now I don't feel bad, but after I use that, my eyes feel a little bit bad, but I think that should be fixed soon. It's fantastic. Absolutely amazing. Crazy. Especially when you normally use the Quest or some other like standalone headset. This is such a huge difference. I mean, this is not the Dream Air. This is still, yeah, a more bulky headset, let's be honest, but we have a pretty good field of view here as well. I will also try to measure that with my tool. It's great. So yeah, that was my first impression. I will still do a lot of more, other tests here with test tools and so on. But what I can say from the first reaction, this is really, really great. Okay guys, and now you've seen my reaction, my first reaction on the new version of the Crystal Super OLED. And I think this is gonna be a good headset. But there are different things we have to keep in mind. So we have a Micro-OLED display with a resolution of 3840 by 3552, which is brilliant, really great. At 90 Hertz, we have 53 pixels per degree, and it's a huge difference. When you came from a Quest or any headset with LC display, and then you see this display with this resolution, this is gonna be a blast. It's just amazing, the display. The colors, they are just much more impressive, colorful, and black levels, great. And at the same time, this high resolution, that's absolutely amazing. I was really happy with that. And I always say this is what we need. We don't need more resolution. I don't think we need more resolution. We should stop now and make the headset smaller. I also measured the field of view. The lenses are really interesting. They don't have glare. Edge-to-edge clarity was also really good. They have this concave view, and I measured the field of view. And very careful, guys, these are my individual values for my head shape. You will have different values, likely higher values. So I had a vertical field of view of 90 degrees and a horizontal field of view of 102. This is not much, I know that, because I always have lower field of view than other people. But for such an OLED display, it's okay. Because with this Micro-OLED displays in this high resolution, you always have a smaller field of view like all the other headsets like the Crystal Super Ultra Wide or so. So that's the difference. You have a smaller field of view, but it's still fine. I can live with that. But there was a problem that I cannot live with because they had problems with the lens profile or with the profile of the headset. And during the session, I didn't have problems. But when I put the headset off, then I felt really bad. I had a bad eye strain, and Martin Sweever was there, and I could see him like 2 times, and I really felt bad. So they really have to fix that. They know about this problem. I tried another profile that was better, but had lower field of view, so they have to fix that somehow. Hopefully in the final unit this is gonna be good. But all in all, this was a really nice experience, a great headset. Looking forward to the final version. So the price is 1,960 euro or 2,199 US dollar plus tax. This is a very high price, but when you think about the display, the Micro-OLED display in this resolution is definitely ultra expensive. It's very expensive if you buy it as a company as well. So the high price is just normal with this kind of display. So if you want to save at least a little bit, you can go via my link in the description and enter the coupon code VoodooDE 25 for the Crystal Super OLED, and then you can save a little bit. And now, as promised, here is the giveaway. So look at this here. This is a brand new Pimax Crystal Super QLED with 50 pixels per degree. And I have to say thank you to Pimax that they want to give it to my community, to you. Yeah, and that's something I cannot do every day. You've seen that, right? And this is brand new. This is brand new, and it has a value of 1,588 euro. That's insane. So the giveaway goes until November 30, 2025, and the link to Gleam.io and everything you need is in the description. So make sure that you go via the link to take part. And very important is that you give a real email address, because if you win, I need to contact you, right? Otherwise it doesn't make sense. So I wish you a lot of luck. And as promised, there's also a Black Friday sale. This also goes until November 30, 2025. And this is when you go via my link and use my coupon VoodooDE, you get 3% discount on the Pimax headsets, and also on the Crystal Light you get $70 off, and for the Pimax Crystal Super free shipping. That's great. And you get a package of 12-month iRacing membership and a $15 gift card for iRacing, as well as 80 Simverse coins for Microsoft Flight Simulator. And what I really love is a coupon, $120 for the UD cap gloves that I showed you on my channel. You know, the Strike gloves, they are really great. I can tell you, and yeah, there you get a coupon code. That's really cool. So this is also a nice Black Friday sale. You can check it out. The links are in the description and coupon, and then you can decide it until November 30, 2025. And also check out my other reviews of for example, the Dream Air. I could try it, and also some other VR headsets from Pimax. Make sure to check that out. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE